大家好, it's my first time in Daishan. You can see the tea plantation. I'm in the mountain, and now I'm picking tea in the tea plantation in Daishan.
很好。
To be honest, I really love the plantation in Daishan because here it's so cozy, and I really love picking tea here. The weather is really nice. It's a little bit foggy, but the weather is fresh.
这个茶甜不甜，鲜不鲜，就靠杀青，你们有没有到位？
这个傣山茶很热，也很香，你可以看看。I really love this Daishan tea. It's my first experience to do this. I really love the smell. It's really fresh. You can see it.